Hey gang, Sealife here. Today I want to show you how I record music. For this song, I'm using a Fostex 4-track. It has 4 different tracks, but we're only going to be using one. Now you want to have an XLR to 1/4 inch for this method. Put it in the input, hit record. I only used one microphone on the drums and it sounded pretty good. It's okay if it peaks a little bit because we're using tape. For the rhythm guitar, I use this Fender tube amp with a little bit of reverb. For the lead guitar, I use a solid state PV bass amp for a super clean sound. For the bass, I just went directly into the 4-track.
Do you wanna feel better?
For the vocals, I used a different microphone.
Don't you know I wanted to? Fun and rain and sunny weather, like we always used to do.
Then I used the headphone jack to record it back into Pro Tools. These little tapes can be tricky, especially when your rewind button doesn't work. So I have this cool method. And if you really want to streamline it, thanks for watching, y'all.